This is what Callie Russo thought the fireworks show would look like.
It feels so fun, and there's fireworks, and I just love it here.
Other people were at the Silver Dollar Fairgrounds to share a special moment with loved ones.
My dad was in the Army, so I kind of know a lot about it, and I like the 4th of July a lot. It's like our favorite holiday together.
This is the moment everyone's been waiting for. Take a look at how beautiful the fireworks are looking.
Well, I'm here with my family, and she tagged along.
And we don't rarely do things like this, so it's fun to just come with her.
Others took the time to respect those who served this country.
Oh, we just celebrate our America and celebrate all our fallen heroes who have lost their lives protecting all of us. And people need to remember that.
If you missed the fireworks show, we'll have a full link of the video of the show on our website, actionnewsnow.com. Laura Ang, Action News Now.